homecoming celebrations are taking place for Galway senior ladies football team following their All-Ireland victory against Kerry. A ceremony is taking place at Tuam Stadium and our Midwest correspondent Petula Martin is there. Petula, the West is awake once again.
Yes, Samantha, the tribes have gathered and are welcoming home their warrior women, fresh from victory over Kerry in Croke Park yesterday. It's been 22 years since Galway last won the All-Ireland title, and it was their second time ever. Their day began in Dublin, where they brought the Brendan Martin Cup to Crumlin.
I don't know how it's fully sunk in yet. It's been so surreal, like just celebrating last night and the whole day. It was just so emotional, and being here today, like so many friends and family, it's just such a nice feeling.
I think every year you'd be watching other teams come to Temple Street or Crumlin, and you'd love to have the opportunity to do that yourself. So to be here today and to meet all the children and seeing how brave and how resilient they all are, it's brilliant.
Just to come here and to, celebrate with the kids and celebrate with family and friends and the girls, of course, it's special.
You know, these girls, a lot of them would have been there in 2004 celebrating when the first All-Ireland was there, so it inspired them to put the Galway jersey on, and hopefully we'll inspire a few more.
The team then headed west, crossing the River Shannon and into County Galway. It was Ladies' Day at the Galway races last week. Well, it's Ladies' Day here in St. Jarlath's Park in Tuam. Great celebrations underway. We caught up with some very happy Galway supporters.
It was emotional as well, and just so proud of all the girls, all the hard work they put in, and yeah, it was great to see a great result.
Fantastic for our captain, Kate Kerry from our club Tuam Cartoon.
She's always running so fast, and she's always scoring goals and stuff like that.
The Galway ladies were super, such a dramatic end. We're so proud of them, and especially Shauna Hines from Milltown.
I thought it was brilliant. They played hard and they played good.
Mayo have Sam, Galway have Brendan. The celebrations are underway. The Queens of Connacht are home. Samantha.
Petula Martin in Tuam, thank you.